What's going on, guys? It's Joseph Reacts here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are reacting to Cosco's famous $5 rotisserie chicken review by Joey's World Tour. Alright, I have a question for him. Every time he makes one of these videos, all of his food's fattening. Like, seriously. Why'd it have to be fattening? Now, have you seen his Nashville hot chicken? Oh yeah, that reminds me. Check out the video I made. Like and subscribe, as always. Alright, let's just... Sorry guys, I have to get this. Alright, so this guy right now looks like he has a fucking eye disease. And what's that? Is that your neck? I can't tell if it's your chin or your neck. And look at his shirt. Looks like he has boobs. Are you transgender? We don't care about the population. They're selling. Jeez. We just want to see you eat the food, like nothing else. And his chicken review. You eat it. Explain what's there's anything good. Have you ever 3 stars, 2 stars, and exactly. That's all you do. So yeah, why does it say Kirkland? Don't say he's gonna eat that entire chicken. That's like a Thanksgiving chicken. Holy shit. If he eats that entire chicken, I have to say he's such a fat ass. Like, who eats an entire fucking chicken? He's like bawling down the chicken. Look at his eyes. He's like, I want that chicken. Healthy? Bruh. If it can feed a family of about 4 or 5 people, how are you going to eat the entire chicken? He said he's gonna go to the fork action. 10 seconds later, puts down the fork. And what you doing now? Grab him with them hands. What is there to joke around? You don't really make sense. What is there to joke around, Joey? Huh? Exactly. Alright guys, so he said the chicken could feed 5 people of a family. But he's going and eating the entire chicken. Wow. Alright, when he did that, his double chin wiggled like so much. Just look at the replay, guys. You see his fat ass neck wiggling? He said every food's a 10 because he's obsessed with food. Fat ass can't. Every video, he eats a whole fucking meal. Like that chicken could have been used for Thanksgiving. No, he just goes and eats the entire fucking thing. Let's see his comments. People say. Exactly. See, look at the comment. Who the fuck eats their whole chicken in the car? Who the fuck eats a whole chicken in the car? Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed and peace out.